I'm going to share with you now 5 things that you need to do to guarantee success becoming a professional property investor. Now I'm going to share with you the 5 things that you need to do to guarantee success and go and make lots of money in property. Liam Ryan from Assets for Life. And if you're new to this channel, please hit subscribe and the notification bell right now. Give me a like below and feel free to leave me a comment or a question and I will personally get back to you ASAP. Number 1 is to get the right education. Education is absolutely key, and I don't know about you, but when I left school, I thought my educational days were over. And I started to do really well in business, and then I got stale and I started to go backwards. It wasn't until I started to re-engage with learning that my business started to grow again and I started to make more money. I want you to remember this: the more you learn, the more you earn. Investing in you is the most important thing that you can do in property and in business, because you want to make sure you're investing in the right area. You want to make sure you understand how you can raise joint venture finance. You need to understand the buy, refurbish, refinancing process. There's many things to learn in property. Now, you can learn them pretty quick, but it is important that you get the right education of great people that have been doing the thing that you now want to do and copy their system. Point number 2, you've got to hang out with positive people, successful people, people that have got cash, people that are doing the thing that you want to do. This is really important. So if you've got some dead wood in your life at the moment, get rid of the dead wood. You've got to start hanging out with positive people that are going to support you, give you a kick when you need a kick, give you a cuddle when you need a cuddle. People that are going to say, hey, yeah, you know what, John? Hey, Sally. Hey, Joan. That's a great idea. And we can help you get from where you are now to where you want to go. And I'm working with some people lately, I don't know if you can relate, their partners don't agree, their children are holding them back, they're negative, they're just saying to them, why are you dreaming of becoming a property investor? You need lots of money, you need lots of time, you need to get yourself to university, go just get a proper job, work harder and sort your pension out. This doesn't work anymore. The 3rd thing that you must do in order to guarantee success is actually take action and do the work. I don't know about you, but I know, and I've certainly done this myself in the past, I go and learn something new, I read a book, I listen to a podcast, I invest in some advanced education, they tell me what to do, and then I don't do it. Why don't I do the very thing that is needed in order to grow business, get into property, make more money? I don't know why that is. Fear, being lazy, ego, whatever it is, you can't allow that to hold you back. You've got to get rid of the monkey on the shoulder. You have to actually do stuff. You can't expect just to watch this YouTube video, pick up a couple of books, go to a free event, and all of a sudden you're going to make lots of money in property, be super successful, multi-millionaire, have your dream house, your Rolex, your fancy car, go and help other people, communities. You've got to look after yourself first. You actually need to physically pick up the phone, do stuff on the computer, go on some viewings, get networking. You need to get your website together. There's not a lot to do, but it's important that you build your business. Okay, the fourth thing that you need to do to guarantee success is focus on a high income replacing strategy. So you want to get yourself involved with maybe rent to rent HMO, or rent-to-rent serviced accommodation, or get yourself into some nice single lets that are going to pay you at least £400 or £500 net profit per month. When you focus on high cash flowing assets, it means that you can replace your income even quicker. So a rent to rent or a property that you own that you're using as HMO, a house in multiple occupancy or serviced accommodation, and you're getting guests rather than tenants, you can be making £1,000 profit per month per property. Look, on average. You only need, for most people in the UK, I don't know about you, just 3 or 4 of these and you've replaced your income. Then what you do is you focus on assets paying for your liabilities. Final thing that you need to make sure you do in order to guarantee your success is never, ever, ever give up. Look, I'm here to be honest with you. Property is easy once you know how. You follow the system. I've got a system. It's called the Property Freedom Formula. It's 7 simple steps. This is what I teach people at my events. This is why people get trained by me, because there's a simple system to follow. However, you are going to have some bumps in the road. You're going to have some days where you feel like you're bloody Superman or Superwoman. Then you're going to have other days where you're laying in bed and you're having a bit of a panic and a bit of a wobble and you're not too sure if you can carry on any longer, and you'll be faced with a challenge that's really difficult to get over. Before you know it, you're 5 years down the road and you've got 10 or 20 deals in the portfolio. So please don't give up. And if there's anyone watching this and you're finding it a bit difficult, hey, leave me a comment below, get in touch with us, we will help you. Absolutely love helping people in property, business, mindset, entrepreneurship, wealth creation. I've made a lot of money, I've lost a lot of money, I've made a lot of money again. I want you to stay tuned with what we do here. So somewhere around the video, there's going to be some more videos to watch. Hey, go for it. Watch some more videos, get a pen and paper out, and I will see you very, very soon.